In a remote village, there stood an old house that had long been abandoned. The villagers often spoke of strange noises heard from within the house every night. One day, a journalist named Arman decided to investigate the house after hearing rumors of a hidden treasure inside. With a camera and flashlight in hand, Arman bravely entered the house just as dusk fell. As he walked down the long, dusty corridor, Arman heard the creaking of a door, even though there was no wind. The atmosphere grew more tense when he discovered a room filled with cracked mirrors. In the center of the room, he saw a small, ancient-looking wooden chest. When Arman opened the chest, he found a handwritten letter that read, "Anyone who seeks this treasure must be ready to face the dark secrets hidden here." Suddenly, a shadowy figure passed by in the mirror, causing Arman to drop his flashlight and jump in fright. As he tried to pick up the flashlight, Arman heard footsteps approaching. However, when he turned around, there was no one there. Fear mixed with curiosity pushed him to move forward. He eventually discovered a hidden door behind one of the mirrors. But as he opened it, he was greeted by a deep voice saying, "You should not be here." The flashlight went out, and Arman felt a cold chill envelop his body. When morning came, the villagers only found his camera lying in front of the old house. Arman had disappeared without a trace.